Most employee relocations to Spain don't run into problems at customs. They run into problems months earlier. Welcome to the podcast. Today we're talking about why employee relocations to Spain fail before they even begin. When a company decides to relocate an employee to Spain, the focus is usually on the job itself. The role is approved, the visa process begins, the start date is set. But what often gets overlooked is everything happening behind the scenes. Household goods need to be packed, documented, shipped, cleared through customs, and delivered on a timeline that aligns with employees' arrival. If any one of these pieces fall out of sync, the employee feels the impact immediately. Delayed shipments, housing challenges, missing documentation, unexpected custom complications. The most successful corporate relocations start planning early and treat logistics as part of the employee experience, not just transportation. Because when an employee arrives in Spain feeling supported and settled, they're ready to focus on the reason they were sent there in the first place. In our next episode, we'll talk about the biggest differences between relocating an employee and handling a personal international move. If Spain is your next destination, let experienced professionals guide the process. Visit our website, movertospain.com, or call 844-651-7050 today.